Um, it's been thousands of them. White, gold, silver, the way the light's been reflecting on them. And they've just been doing these amazing patterns over the water. That has just been spectacular. I'm hoping this captures it. See the gold ones there? I'm wondering what kind of birds they are. And then they blend together and you're getting these colors that are just... And they come over here and they look like pieces of silver, like just like that, like light. It's just so magnificent. Isn't it beautiful? Now, it's like you've got these ones that are hanging here. And now here comes the other. It is something.